I'm going to show you how to make super beautiful little forms on the internet that really stand out because an animated little character walks in and introduces the form for you. Super crazy cute. Like, there's nothing like this on the internet. This is going to stand out way more than anything else. That form was built on a tool called Visme.co that recently came out with a form builder that builds the form you just saw. They boast like 3 times more conversions than other form tools, and it makes sense. Like, that's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Like, you don't see stuff like that on the internet, and especially not on like stuffy business websites. It's a typical form builder, but you can customize the animation, and like over here we can customize the entrance. I can customize the heck out of the character, and on the animation side it doesn't have to be the entrance. I can customize the waiting animation, how my little guy looks when things are going on, and you can obviously customize the form as well. You can connect it to data on the back end. You can go to a Google Sheet, you can go to your CRM, you can go to your email system, and then you just publish it. You grab a link, you pop it into a button on your website, or you embed it, and it just starts doing its little animation gig the second your users drop onto the website. And forms like this are going to help people like content marketers or personal brands or small businesses stand out really, really nicely. You can do this for leads, for app downloads, or just for contact submissions on your website. There's a whole bunch of different applications for this kind of thing. So yeah, if you're interested, you can try it at visme.co. There's also a link in my bio.